Morning.
What's up?
Cool.
Everything cool, eh?
Everything nice.
Hey, as you carry it down like this, it be like if you were going to entertain the people for the health.
No be easy. We did
Okay. I beg this before First TV.
Okay.
My name is Banti GH.
Okay.
Tell us your name, eh?
My name is James Katako. James Katako.
Okay. Yo, big man James. So how the health work take go?
Dale, everything is cool. Everything is moving smoothly. You can see the crowd. When you look at the crowd, you see that the thing is very, very massive. Yes. We want the guys to come on board. Let's talk about the Hogbetsotso festival. Yes, it's very good. Everything is going well. Yeah, well.
All right. So you come out the town here, or be some area be you come out camp?
I'm from this town, from Tegbi to be precise. Tegbi.
Okay, I see. So right now, what be the next activities in line for the rest of the day?
The rest of the day, today we have, in the evening, we have street carnival. Yes, street carnival. From there, this afternoon, early beach, we have some activities going on there. Bobobo competition, and a lot of things are going on there. And in the evening side, we have another activities at Anglonga, the main town, which is Hogbetsotso. Yes. So we have a lot of activities.
Yes, I can see there are a lot of interesting. So right now, what you go tell those where they house where they no come yet?
They for start preparing. They for start they jump.
As a matter of fact, they start to run.
Yes, they for run.
Because they are missing a lot.
A lot is going on.
All right, thank you for speaking with First TV.
Thank you.